Chapter 3, Module 1, Music. Composers of the Romantic period. Learning competency describes musical elements of given Romantic period pieces. Pretest. Directions. Read the questions carefully and write the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. It is a cultural movement that stressed emotion, imagination, individualism, and freedom of expression. A. Classical. B. Romantic. C. Medieval. And D. Baroque. The answer is romantic. Letter B. Number 2. He was the composer that bridged the music from classical to romantic era through his passion and expression in composition. A. Bach. B. Berlioz. C. Paganini. D. Beethoven. The answer is Beethoven. Letter D. 3. Which of the following best describes the term nationalism means? A. Being patriotic. B. Having a strong feeling for one's nation. C. Pride in one's own composition. D. Pride for another country. The answer is having a strong feeling for one's nation, which is letter B. 4. A composer that gained a rumor about his amazing skills in music to be a gift from a devil. A. Paganini. B. Chopin. C. Schumann. And D. Berlioz. The answer is Paganini, which is letter A. Number 5. He was known to be the poet of the piano. A. Paganini. B. Chopin. C. Schumann. D. Berlioz. Answer is Paganini. Number 6. It is a verse from narrative that is set to music. A. Ballad. B. Etude. C. Mazurka. And D. Nocturne. The answer is Ballad. Letter A. 7. An instrumental composition that conveys images or scenes to tell a short story without text or lyrics. A. Opera. B. Piano music. C. Program music. D. None of these. The answer is program music. Letter C. was the composer of the five movements in Symphony Fantastic. A. Berlioz, B. Saint-Saëns, C. Tchaikovsky, and D. Chopin. The answer is Berlioz or Berlioz. Letter A. Number 9. He was known for his ballet music. A. Berlioz, C. Saint-Saëns, C. Tchaikovsky, and D. Chopin. The answer is Tchaikovsky. Letter C. Number 10. The following are the characteristics of romantic period except 1. A. Intensive personal expression. B. Has rich variety of piece types. C. Has a shape and unity of the theme. And D. Texture are more expressive. The answer is has a shape and unity of the theme.